We are in Belgrade, in Serbia, during the presentation of Greece, the travel agents of Serbia. We have with us Mr. Konstantinos Gasparakis. He is the Deputy Mayor of Rethymno on Crete Island, and he is going to present Rethymno in Serbian travel agents. Hello, Konstantinos.
Hello, Vicky.
I would like to ask you about the Serbians on Rethymno.
First of all, greetings to everybody that is listening to us. And thank you very much that you give the chance in our city to take part here in this nice B2B conference. And I have to say about, if I have to ask about your question, is that the Serbians are one of the newest and strongest markets for Rethymno. Because Rethymno gives everything that a Serbian likes. We have, first of all, amazing gastronomy. It looks like a lot with the Serbian gastronomy.
Very famous.
Of course, we have the famous raki, that here Serbians likes it. Also, we do one of the best rakis. And the sea, the mountains, this combination, also someone from Serbia that our religion is exactly the same, we're Christian Orthodox. As I saw in a small tour in the town with so much beautiful churches, I have to say that somebody can visit also Rethymno, that we have so many monasteries and beautiful church, so somebody can choose to make religion tourism, and also the combination that I told before with the sea and the mountains. It's an amazing combination to have in Rethymno, because in the morning you can make your swimming with your family or with your partner, and in 10 minutes driving you can visit a mountain to have a meal in a very beautiful, in a very tasteful taverna with a beautiful view, or to make some hiking. So I believe that Rethymno, it fits so much
to the Serbian willings
yes.
for holidays.
Yes.
But you're a new vice mayor, just few months ago.
4 months now, yes.
You started, so do you bring any new ideas? How do you think you have to promote this area worldwide?
I don't have to promote this area more because already it's so promoted. This is a joke.
It's famous, yeah, but it is.
It's very famous, it's very promoted because it's a so beautiful destination. But from the other hand, nowadays we see that the tourism turns into the looking of sustainability. So according my knowledge as engineering of environment and chemical engineer, that I have a master, combined with the tourism knowledge that I have, I think, I believe that the next step for Rethymno is sustainability. And this is a subject with the climate change nowadays, that everybody looks on sustainability. So this is something that I want to take it into the next level.
That's very, very important. And finally, I would like to ask you about biking in Rethymno city, because it is a certified city for bikers. So
about bike, something very realistic, something very logical. If somebody see the statistics of the villages that we have, he or she will see that we have more than 100 villages around Rethymno. So if you think by logical, each village has a road leading there. So we have so many biking routes without even doing nothing about this, only about how Rethymno is. So as a biking destination, we are one of the very best. We don't have the fame of other biking destinations, but only from this, that somebody that loves bicycle will have so many routes to choose that even are not the touristic bicycle routes, they are authentic.
That's very important.
It makes Rethymno one of the best biking destinations. And also about the city itself, our mayor makes the best about sustainability, and we have done all the facilities around the bicycle. You know it very well.
So to
And we have
facilitate people to ride
exactly,
a bike in
exactly.
the city.
We are a bike-friendly town also, as you know.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.